Hi friend, in today's video I will discuss about today's Bank Nifty jackpot trade. We have a very good day today. We earn 395 points game or INR 7,900 per lot. I will also discuss how to find this type of jackpot opportunity one day before, and I will also go through the performance review till date. Our last two trade was not good. I will show you details performance of this Excel sheet trading based on the jackpot, and we will talk about that. But then before that, I want to dedicate today's video to one of my new friend Jivan. Hi Jivan, you yesterday asked me, hello sir, Bank Nifty jackpot Excel showing tomorrow is a jackpot day. Please confirm if it is true. First time I am getting signal like this, so I thought let me confirm with you before entering tomorrow. Jibon, it's fine. Whenever you will find any doubt, any question, I always available in WhatsApp. So please WhatsApp me with every doubt, and it's better to clear doubt before you enter the trade. You says it was a great day for your jackpot strategy. It's not my jackpot strategy, it is now your jackpot strategy, Mr. Jibam, my friend. I take trade, took exit early, but nevertheless made sufficient profit. Thank you for such a great strategy. Jibun, one thing we have to be very careful that in a profitable trade, in a profitable day, we have to take the benefit fullest. Otherwise, we will not able to survive. And this is the goal of the system trading, to not not do manual management of the trading. Details I will discuss later. But now let's go through the track sheet and performance review. So far, as you can see, there was couple of red, regain, and two red. That means last two trade was consecutive losses, and before that we had a three consecutive profit, and today we have a 395 point. So as you can see, this is now enough data for this entire year. Three consecutive loss or four consecutive loss or three or four consecutive profit is very common in this strategy. Not only in this strategy, any trading strategy, three or four consecutive loss and profit is very common. For an example, this is the three consecutive loss, these three consecutive profit, two profit, one loss. But see here, we have seen a consecutive green day, and then there was a consecutive four losses, consecutive three losses. So those things are very normal, and we have to keep sufficient margin to pass through this turbulence time. So total in this year we have started June very well with 395 point, that point gain today, that is 7,900. And in total profit using this Excel sheet, I am talking about this Excel sheet, where we have to enter the high and low, and we will get the trade. I will discuss about that. Before that, we have captured 5,710 points so far. It is almost 1,14,211 if we trade based on one lot, and the risk reward ratio is still 3.76. That is very good risk ratio. So with that, now I will discuss about how to do it. As it gives us trade one day before. So at market close, you have to enter the couple of data. So this is the trade day today, and so we will check after this market close yesterday. So first we will have to check the date, and we have to change the date. The date yesterday was 01 06 2020. I change it, and then I have to enter the first 15-minute candle, last 15-minute candle high low, and days high low. Once I will enter this data, if I find a yes over here, sorry, in this two YOLO strip, Then what to do? Then next day we have to trade based on the jackpot strategy. What is the jackpot strategy? If we get yes over here, if we get yes over here after entering the data here, then next day we have to simply trade on a break of first 15-minute candle. So your first 15-minute candle next day will end at 9:30. You will put a buy order above the high of the first 15-minute candle and a sell order above below the low of the first 15-minute candle. So this is the today's 15-minute candle. So you will buy above this and you will put a stop loss here and you will exit at 3 p.m. That's mean you will exit at the market close. So first let's check entering yesterday data whether it is changing to yes or not. What was the signal? So yesterday's first 15-minute candle high was 19,940.60. I am using a 15-minute chart and the low was 19,451.10. Okay, and I have to take the days high and low also. The days low happens in this candle and days high happens in this candle. So this candle high was 2016 2017, sorry, uh, 6.95, and the low was in this candle. So low of the day was 19,451.10. I entered this data. Now I have to enter the high low of the last candle. Last candle high low was 19,908.35 and the low was 19,851. As I enter this data, as you can see here, we are getting the signal. It is clearly mentioned yes, tomorrow is the jackpot day 2. That means it's an jackpot day. We use two different strategy to find opportunity of the big movement next day. So once you get this, what you have to do? You have to simply put the trade on the basis of the first 15-minute candle of today. So first 15-minute candle high was 20046. So we enter probably around 20047 kind of level because buy has been triggered 20047. So your buy order will trigger in this candle and your stop loss will be the low of this candle. That is, the low of this candle is 19750. You will put 19749 your stop loss. The trade has executed in this candle and then it's come down, didn't take the stop loss, take a lot of time and then it's eventually break out and we close the trade at 3 p.m. The 3 p.m. close was 20442. 20442 was our exit of the trade. So we captured 395 point with that. And thank you so much for your time. I will review this strategy continuously as I always do. And this is a great strategy I actually find um, useful for trading because it's give you opportunity one day before, so you already know what to do next day. Number two, it's an consistent profitable since I launched it since 2013, so it's a long history to work. And those who are associated in my channel and close to me, they know that if they consistently use that, then it always comes to positive, net positive over a period of 10-15 trade. So thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day. Bye.